In this video, let's talk about how to fix Google Drive sync not working. So in this situation, the first thing that you can try out is try to restart your Google Drive. If you're using your Google Drive on your phone, you simply need to hop out of the application. Make sure you remove it from the recent app list. Try to see if the issue is solved. If you're using the Google Drive within your Mac or on your Windows, you'll have a certain option or a separate option where you'll be able to find the option of restarting or quitting the Google Drive by within the gear settings or the settings option. So make sure you try that first of all. The second thing that you can do is within your phone is simply tap and hold the app of Google Drive, head over to the eye icon, tap on storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache. You simply need to tap on it, and once this step is complete, again try to see if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, the last thing that you can try out is try to disconnect and reconnect your account within your phone or within your Windows as well. So simply head over to settings on your device, head over to Google or head over to account, and make sure that you pick the correct account that you're trying to remove. Just tap on the more option, and right here you should be able to see the option called remove being displayed. So this is the exact process that you need to follow in order to fix the Google Drive sync not working. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.